You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this phrase, originally from French, used in geology, I believe, an elongated, rounded, ice-sculptured hillock of bedrock. In French it is said as Roche Moutonnée. Moutonnée refers to like sheep. In English it's normally said as Roche Moutonnée. Roche Moutonnée, or American English, Roche Moutonnée. Roche Moutonnée. Roche Moutonnée in French. Roche Moutonnée. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.